In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free cacao seed in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So we're gonna go through the different ways you can actually approach this. Now, of course, the easiest way, which is kind of free because it costs 2.5 million, the in-game cash, to actually buy it inside the seed shop. You can just wait for the seed shop over here, and you can get the cacao seed when it gets in stock. However, nobody wants to wait, so there's actually two better methods of getting it. Now, one is in case you already do have a cacao seed, and then the second one is in case you don't have it. So what I would recommend is you get this pet over here, which is called the Golden Lab. So let me view it. Oh, if it's gonna let me, or I can't do it. Let me just walk up to him. Where are you hiding, dog? There we go. Click on it, and then you want to click view. So it won't let me for some reason. There we go. Okay, so it says that every about a minute, it has a 10% chance to dig up a random seed. Now, I do believe this also goes for the cacao seeds. The chances, of course, are going to be very, very low, but you can also dig up a cacao seed by just having this golden lab. And mind you, you can have multiple of these dogs or golden labs inside your garden at once. You can have 3, I think, or even more in case you get any of these extra pet equips over here. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to tell you. Now, there's also one better way to actually get this. It's gonna be a bit tricky as well, but it's also gonna be completely free. So if you go to the new update over here, which is the Moonlit Lunar Update, in the middle over here, you can see you can show the night eggs. And inside these night eggs, you have a 1% chance to actually get a raccoon. Now, in case you're not aware what a raccoon can do, a raccoon in the garden, of course, is a very, very rare pet. I think it's like probably besides the dragonfly, it should be one of the rarest pets in the game right now. I do actually think that the raccoon is even kind of more OP than the dragonfly. So what it does is, when you have it in your garden, every few seconds, it will just go to a random garden on your island over here, and it has a chance to basically steal any of the plants on this island from other people, duplicate them, and bring them back to you, which means, of course, this is one of the ways to get quick and easy free cacaos. Now, why cacaos are very overpowered is because, yes, the seed costs 2.5 million of this in-game cash currency, I think it's called shekels, and it sells for about 5k per kilogram, which is absolutely insane. So yeah, in case you're trying to make a lot of money, cacao seeds are definitely something that you should be going for. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.